everyone, and welcome back for another Microgreens episode. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sanitize and germinate your mung bean sprouts. This is a brand from Country Creek Acres. And in front of me I have a scale, my cup measure, some warm hot water, my glass jar I'm going to be putting everything into, my apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon measure, and something to cover the jar. I have a cheesecloth and a hair tie. And we're going to go ahead and get started. For what I'm going to be planting, I'm going to be using about a half a cup of seeds. Which comes out to about 2.5 grams if you're curious. And then you can pour that into your cup. Then you're going to pour your water into your cup measure. So for every 1 to 2 cups warm hot water, you're going to be using 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So here I've got about 3.5 cups of water, so I'm going to do about 3.5 tablespoons vinegar. Alright, and you can just kind of stir it around, make sure it's reaching all the surfaces of the seeds. Then you're going to cover this. And you're going to go ahead and wait about 15 minutes. And I'll show you what happens next in 15 minutes. Hey, welcome back from 15 minutes, and now I'm going to show you the next step. Alright, first we're going to take off the lid. You're going to need a strainer, and whatever you're going to strain it over, it could be a sink, bowl, whatever. Let's get these seeds out of that vinegar. Make sure you get all the seeds. Alright. Now we can return the seeds to the jar. Alright, now I can fill it up with water. Again, we're using that warm hot water. Go ahead and fill that to the top. And you can let that soak anywhere from 8 to 12 hours. You could let it soak for up to 24. Entirely up to you. 8 to 12 is a pretty good number. 8 is optimal for most microgreens. And because these are bean sprouts, sometimes they go for a little bit longer in the soaking time. And that is how you sanitize and germinate your seeds. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.